Hello everyone, welcome to the first class of WordPress. So let's introduce with the WordPress. WordPress is an online open source web creation tool which is written in PHP, and in the current world I think it is the most popular CMS that people love to work with. And if you want to understand the popularity of the WordPress, just the statistics is enough to understand that almost 27% of the website that exist in the current world is made are made with the WordPress. So it's the most popular. You can imagine that. Well, and we are going to some find out the difference between the WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.org, that is the actually script or CMS we are going to use here, and it's the 100% free, and it's called also the self-hosted WordPress. That means actually you are using this version in our local server or in our self-hosting and a remote server. But for WordPress.com is a web hosting service. That means they are providing the hosting also, and with some limited version of WordPress that you can use their platform. If you don't have any own hosting, and you can use this WordPress.com, but in that case actually you are limited to some features of WordPress, not you can use many themes or plugins of the WordPress. And also you cannot actually, they will issue some ads in your website if you are free version, if you are using the free version of the WordPress.com. So you have to pay if you don't want to show any ads of provided by this WordPress.com. So there is some advantages and disadvantages of the WordPress.com. Okay, and now I'll discuss some advantages of the WordPress. Some are cost effective. Obviously, this is 100% free and time saver, and actually it is so quick to develop a website with WordPress. Easy to operate. I already said that uh, any non-programmer or non-technical person can operate the WordPress easily. The highest number of developers creating themes and plugins for it. That means the community of these WordPress developers actually is huge, and they're creating many themes day by day. And actually, the library is so much enriched. And the search engine optimization, that means SEO, is also made simple with a WordPress plugin, so you don't need to worry about SEO with other some extra stuff here. And the other thing is e-commerce is available on WordPress, so you can easily build any online shop with WordPress. And finally, WordPress updates their software very frequently, so if any problem arises, they're just fixing in the next version, and the more feature is coming day by day. So it's actually the developers community is very active of the WordPress. Well, and now, what are the requirements before installation of the WordPress? Just I think if you have used already the PHP, I think you already used the XAMPP or WAMP, any of the server. So XAMPP or WAMP actually will be enough for a local server. So if you don't have this, just you can download from the internet XAMPP or WAMP, and already if you have, then let's proceed the next step. The first one, how to install the WordPress, and just download the latest version from this URL, WordPress.org download. That means this one. So you can download here. Now it is running 4.7, the latest version. I have already downloaded it, and I'm just taking it here and keeping it my one folder. So 4.7. Now the second step is I'm just extracting this folder. Okay, and 4.7, and you can see there is a folder WordPress. I'm just copying this folder and keeping it in my htdocs folder, install htdocs folder, and you can see here. Okay, I'm using the Jump. So if you're using the Jump, you have to start the services, Apache and MySQL. Just click on the start button of these two service, and you will see this icon here is running here. Okay, it has been copied. Now we can go to the next step, which is actually going to the localhost slash phpMyAdmin, and we have to create a database here. So I'm just going to the database, and I'm creating a database, just a simple name, wp1. Create it. Okay, create it. Now I'm just going to the another tab and typing the localhost slash WordPress and enter. Because our folder name is actually WordPress, what I have just pasted here, the WordPress htdocs. And if you're using the worm server, you have to keep it in the www folder, and if you are using the Jump, you have to keep it in the htdocs folder. Okay, so the screen came here, that means everything is fine. Now I will continue to the next step, and there is some information, just let's go. And we have the database wp1 that I just created, and username you can find here. Just go to the users, you can say many users here, but I will use just this one, root. And password, no, that means there is no password, we can keep it blank. And the host is localhost. So the username is root, password is blank, database host is localhost, and double prefix you can keep it as it now. So go to submit. Well, all right, that's sparking. So just run the install here. Okay, and now you can give the site name like that, my first CMS, and also give a username for the admin panel. Just keep it simple, admin, and don't use such password, because you don't need any security here. You are just practicing. So like you can keep the simple 1234 password and confirm this quick password. And also you can type your email here, and I'm just demo. Just you can type your email here, and this one, this for if you don't want to index your site for now in the Google, just click on it, discourage, because if you're just launching your new website, you don't have any content, so you don't want to index in Google, that because you have the blank content. So for now, just make it discourage, and later actually from admin panel you can again enable this search engines optimization for indexing. Okay, install the WordPress, and it's taking little bit time here. Okay, I think it's done. Just for any cases, it is showing something here. Okay, just put there. Well, now I'm logging with my username admin, password 1234. Just keep it, remember me, and log in here. Well, everything is done here, and you can see the admin panel. This is the WordPress admin panel, and in the next classes, actually, I will show the all options and how to maintain the website. And you can see your front part here. Visit the site. So this is your the website is ready. So this is the simple basic WordPress CMS. Okay, so so for now today, hopefully we'll see you again in the next classes. So till then, goodbye.